What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add the sources in your notebook LM. For that the process is very simple. The links to LM is in the description. Make sure you visit the link in order to visit that platform. So once you're on this dashboard, once login, you just have to navigate yourself to the left side where it says sources. Over here just click on add sources option. Over here, you will see that you can drop the files from the system that you're using. That could be macOS, that could be laptop, or that could be Windows, Linux, any operating system. Or you guys can eventually search on the web using Gemini to search the best resources out of it. So now I'm gonna upload from my computer. I'm just gonna go ahead and upload this document, and this is how simple it is to add the source document in the sources. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.